Makakausap po natin ngayon ang proud tito ni Alex Ayala, si veteran sportscaster Nolly Ayala. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Hi, Nolly.
Hi, Corina. Magandang gabi. Thank you so much for inviting.
Sure, yes. Nakausap mo na ba ang pamangkin mo?
Alam mo, talagang mahirap makausap si Alex. Ang una kong tawag kahapon sa kanyang mga magulang kasi alam ko naman na ang unang tinawagan ni Alex after that match point ay ang kanyang mga magulang. Kaya siya lang nakausap ko, nag-message na ako sa aking pamangkin at siya naman ay nagpasalamat na.
Ayun, okay. So needless to say, everybody's ecstatic. I'm sure especially her family. Pero ano ang being a sportscaster? So you tend to analyze, hindi ba, itong mga ganitong klaseng victory, slaying 5 giants hanggang maabot niya yung kanyang pinapangarap na WTA position. Ano ba ang masasabi mong alas ni Alex pagdating sa paglalaro?
I think ang malaking asset ni Alex is her mental toughness. Malaking bagay sa isang atleta, yung pagka medyo down ka, makalimutan mo yung mga nangyaring hindi maganda sa laro at maka-move on ka kagad, playing the big points when you have to. And I think that's something na nagagawa ni Alex, no? Kahit siya ay nada-down sa isang game, kaya niyang kalimutan yung nangyaring maybe 1 or 2 points before and just focus on the next point and then come back. And that has been a key in this tournament, itong Mubadala DC Open, kung saan marami tayong nakitang comeback wins ni Alex, no? And I think that has been a big factor sa kanyang magandang paglalaro. Actually, wala naman kaming duda, Corina, sa kanyang skills. We've always known that Alex would reach a certain level ng skill level niya kasi talaga namang matagal siya nagsanay sa Rafa Nadal at magagaling ang kanya naging team at coaches. It's really more of the adjustment to the tour. Tandaan natin, ilang taon pa lamang siya sa WTA Tour. And then secondly, I think it's the mindset na alam na niya na kabilang na siya sa hanay ng mga magagaling. And I think this victory boosts her confidence. Alam na niya ngayon that she belongs to the WTA grades.
Well, without a doubt. So ngayon, ang obserbasyon dati ng iba, that she had like a soft serve. I'm not talking about the ice cream. Soft serve, yung pagbato niya ng unang bira sa pagsisimula ng bawat laro. Do you think she's gotten over that or nagbago na siya ng style niya?
Not necessarily, no. Aminado naman ng lahat na nakita naman yan. But it has become a weapon for her rather than a liability, no. Ang aking iahambing dyan siguro, Corina, is that Alex is now changing tennis, no? Dahil even si Jessica Pegula, she admitted na doon sa kanyang practices, humanap siya ng ka-hitting partner na ang service ay slower. So, again, they are the ones adjusting to her because talagang nababago ni Alex ang tempo ng game. And ang inihahambing ko ditong example ay si Steph Curry ng basketball. Alam mo naman, sanay tayo dyan. When Steph, wala naman nagsabi na nung araw, ang tingin natin, puro malalaki lamang ang dapat dumimina sa basketball. But nung dumating si Steph Curry, pinakita niya na pag magaling ka sa 3-point shooting, you can also win championships. Now, Alex is showing na you don't really need the big serve, but you need the right serve at the right time. And I think nung sa kanyang mga laban, especially sa finals, I think she showed that she can deliver the serve that is needed at the right time. What
was her secret to the 6-0 win, you think?
Well, malaking bagay yung conditioning. I think Alex is is an athlete that is always in good condition. Pangalawa, I think kahit papaano yung pagkakapahinga niya overnight, nakapag-usap sila ng kanyang coach. Alam mo, magaling si Coach John Bosch. And obviously, a lot of the strategies were formulated during that break. And I think, pangatlo, medyo may konting tulong ang weather. Alam mo, naglaro sila kanina ng tanghaling tapat and alam naman natin na kahit paano si Alex is younger, and inamin din ito ni Pegula na naapektuhan siya ng init. So, and plus of course finally yung crowd, no? Dominated ng Filipino crowd kanina itong Monday crowd ng championship. So I think all of these things added to the exceptional skill ni Alex and the confidence that she has, I think brought her the win, especially in third set.
Oo nga, nilusob talaga ng mga Pinoy ang stadium. Halos kalahati daw ay puro Pinoy. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras and congratulations again to your family. Veteran sportscaster
Maraming salamat.
and Alex Ayala's uncle, Nolly Ayala. Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.